the new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch your back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was caught by me with my own coins, so shout out to me for copping yet another unit with my own coins. Okay, so in these type of videos, I like to give a subscriber shout out. Today's subscriber shout out is gonna be my girl Gina Munn. Shout out to you, boo, for all the love and support. I truly do appreciate you. Sometimes I get a little lost with the subscriber shout out, so if I have not shouted you out, maybe kind of comment down below so I can make sure I do. I like to give subscriber shout outs to all the people that I see that have really been supporting me and comment on their video and like the videos, and I like to just kind of come back and you know, shout you out. So if you have not gotten a shout out, y'all, comment down below and let your girl know, because I feel like I have a terrible memory, so sometimes I mess that up. So yeah, but shout out to you, Gina. I really appreciate you. Now let's get into this video. Okay, so those of you who know me, I also like to give myself a shout out in these type of videos, because honey, I caught this unit with my own coins. So shout out to you, Chrissy, for copping yet another unit with your own coins. Like, go Chrissy, go Chrissy, go Chrissy. All right, y'all, let's get into this video. So the unit I am rocking is by Outre. It is from their Converti-Cap collection, and I have tried multiple units from this particular collection, but I came across this one and I was like, let's give her a shot. So she is in the style Bahama Mama, and she's in the color DR Honey Auburn. There are two different types of honeys on there. This is the Honey Auburn, but there was another one. I want to say Honey Blonde, but I wanted the Auburn one because I felt like it was more fitting for the season. Sometimes I get into my little thing, okay? It says it's a deluxe cap lace flat, and it's showing the color that the model is wearing. I'll show you guys that in a minute. It says limitless styling possibility. Reveal your own hairline for a realistic look. Breathable and flexible cap that lays flat. Adjustable drawstring for a custom fit. Premium synthetic fibers. And then it gives you guys some little tips, and on the back it shows you the special colors and what a Converti-Cap wig is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on the stock card. And if I'm not mistaken, yeah, old girl on the side is wearing the same color that I am wearing, and this is in a 1B, and they're showing you how you can wear it in different styles. Then over here it's showing you it as a headband wig, half up, half down, and then in the sort of style that I am wearing. And on the back it's showing the special colors and you know, basically what a Converti-Cap is. From my understanding, a Converti-Cap is kind of like a drawstring ponytail, but a wig. Okay, that's the best way I can describe it. If you have ever worn, that's dandruff from my hair, okay? Obviously, the wig ain't flaking. But if you ever worn a drawstring ponytail, then you kind of know what I mean. You know, it has that string where you can pull it tight. So with this wig, I would say it is everybody head friendly because that drawstring makes it so you can make it as loose as you need to be, or as tight as you need to be. So I feel like it is every head friendly in my personal opinion. This unit does come with a total of 4 combs. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. And there are no adjustable straps, but it does have that like drawstring feel. With these wigs, if with this particular one, you can wear it as a half wig if you want to, and you can leave some of your hair out. You can do different sort of styles with it, as they said on the card, or you can do like I am and just wear it as a full wig. And I do like that. I like that it has multiple, different ways you can style this particular wig. The curls, I'm pretty sure are tangly in spots. I haven't, run my fingers through it. I don't like to run my fingers through these types of units because I feel like I'm gonna mess them up. But you can if you want to. I kind of fluff and kind of go through it. And these wigs, in my opinion, they look better with age. The less uniform they look, the more realistic, the more fun and spunky they look, in my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Other than the fact that I haven't noticed any shedding straight out of the packaging, that doesn't mean at some point, oh girl won't shed. That just means right now, she's doing none of the things. Okay, girl? So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now we can get into my pros and cons about this. Okay, so honey, honestly, I am searching for a con, and the only con I can think of is that at some point I know, oh girl, it's gonna tangle. So that will probably be my only con with this wig. At some point she's gonna tangle. Like, that's it. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's all. My pros with this wig is, first of all, that you can wear it whether you are able to have a leave out or not. Even if you're bald, you can still wear this wig because of that drawstring. It does give you this like really full sort of look. It is a very versatile wig. And honey, the pricing. Okay, let me go ahead and look online right quick so I can tell you guys how much it costs. I know it was super affordable, but I don't want to get it wrong, honey, because I ain't trying to lie to nobody, because I don't want nobody coming for me. Okay, so I bought this unit for $14.94 on Wig Type. Can you beat that price? Can you beat that price, girl? Okay, and I feel like it's really full, and it just kind of gave me that look that I wanted. Like, it is a little bit uniform right now, but like I said, I just literally took it out of the package and kind of threw it on my head. And the fact that it was super easy styling. This is a great throw on and go sort of unit at a very, very affordable price. So those are my pros with this wig. Yes, honey, I would definitely recommend this wig. I feel like for the price point, you can't beat it with a stick, girl. Okay, like, I know some people are like, well, there's shipping you have to pay for. I think right now, Wig Types, they have an option where you can just get the $5 shipping. So at the most, you'll spend $20 on this wig. Or you can do like me and just buy in bulk and get the free shipping. Like, I am a free shipping sort of person. Like, however, I may buy a certain number of wigs per month. And so I always just kind of group them together. That's how I do it. But even if you did have to pay for the shipping, I think it's only like $4.99. And this wig is super affordable, girl. Like, okay, it's affordable and it's cute. Where can you go wrong, sis? Okay, where can you go wrong? All right, honey, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know if you own this unit. Let me know what you like, if you do own it, what you think about it, because you got it. I want to know. I know I was a little late with this wig. Like, honey, I just happened to see it one day. I was doing something else and I came across and I was like, ooh, she cute. Let me give her a try. Let me know down below what you guys think. I am interested in hearing your thoughts and opinions. Do you have any other wigs that you would recommend me trying? Okay, because I am interested, girl. Let me know. Comment that down below. And yeah, y'all, if you're interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. Don't forget to check that. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on the talk I may have left out, feel free to subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.